You searched how to buy shares of hGears AG, so here is a concise guide for hGears AG, a precision engineering firm that makes high-performance plastic and composite gears for automotive and industrial use. It trades on Xetra under the ticker hGEA.DE, and this video is educational only and not financial advice. To place an order, you need a broker account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, normally with an identity document, and add funds before you can buy shares. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker hGEA.DE to find the listing. Select the entry that matches hGears AG on Xetra to make sure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm key details. Double-check that the market is listed as Xetra and the ticker reads hGEA.DE before proceeding. Click Investor Trade, enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review the order type, estimated fees, and total cost before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed when the market opens. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming the purchase. After execution, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to explore the example shown.